This is a cement tank and with fish farming and a floating agriculture. See, here is a dual farming, fish culture along with floating agriculture. See, seeds are germinating in the floating plastic bottles. Soil is there in the plastic bottles with fertilizers. A small hole at the bottom. I've given in the other videos, previous videos. Seeds germinating. See, the huge success for a floating agriculture. Seeds germinating. Here, this is a very dry area, so plastic bottles are floated in the fish farming tank, and plants and other seeds are implanted in the soil. There's a small hole at the bottom, so the soil will remain soaked for a lengthy period of time. It will not get dry, and fertilizers are there in the soil. So, I'm showing you other plants and seeds in the. See, here also seeds are germinating. You see, seeds are germinating slowly. It's already 3-4 days over, and seeds are germinating. Here, seeds are given, but still we have to wait some more days. It is dhania seeds, it takes time. Other plants were implanted in the soil. See, it is good. It's good. Here also implanted in the plastic bottles. Here is also good success. And along with this, lots of agriculture, along with this fish tank. See, this is goat plant. This is papaya. This is sugar cane. This is sugar cane. You see, there is sugar cane. Lots of sugar cane. Here there is brinjals. This is kachawanka in Bengali. It is called. This goat plant. Here this is brinjal. See, brinjal. Here flowers are coming in the brinjal trees. There's a goat plant. See, goats are coming. This is a total farming. This cabbage plant is growing up. This is a total farming along with this fish tank. See, I'm showing you the outlets of this tank. There are 2 outlets here. This one outlet and there's another outlet. So if you just untie this plug, the deposits of the fish will come here, and that is used as fertilizers for the plant. It's a good fertilizer. It is guarded all around by nets so that no birds, snakes can enter here. This is a plant, another plant. There's a lot of brinjal plants planted all around. As water overflow is there, this water is utilized for farming. Lots of brinjal trees here. See, this one another, all around the brinjal trees. This is another fruit tree, fresh fruits and the plants. But it is nice and sweet plant. See, it is jackfruit. Jackfruit. Lots of flowers are coming. Jackfruit. Flowers. Beautiful flowers. I love farming, and so I do this farming. And I've started this new type of fish culture along with floating agriculture. There's a new type of farming I've started where seeds are being germinated in the floating plastic bottles. This is an independent project. I don't anyone don't have to depend on government service or private service. He can make his own expenditures from his home. This is a self-dependent project. There's tomatoes in the plant. These are beans. These are beans, black beans. Beans. These are beans. These are also another type of beans. Lots of beans. See, it's full of beans. You are getting everything: agriculture, fish, fruits, everything from here. So if anyone tries, he can do anything independently at home. You don't have to depend on any service. He can do of his own. And there is a very nice life. So this is another fruit here. Fresh fruits. It is growing up. It's kamranga. Very nice one. Very sweet. Fresh fruit. It's cauliflower. Beans. This is another fruit. Very tasty fruit. And the plants. More fruits are coming. This is nearly ripe. This is called ambra. Very sweet fruit. These are all tomatoes. These are cabbages growing up. Then another floating seeds and plant here. See, it is floating in the water. It's floating in the water. No water here. It is dry. There is ample water inside. It's soaked. The soil is soaked. Plants are growing, and lots of seeds. Other seeds will be given in due time, as fertilizers are given some days back. So I am waiting some more days, and then I'll plant more seeds and plants here. Let me see. I'm checking this. But it is a success, as I've already shown you in the previous one. Seeds are growing, germinating. It is a floating culture of agriculture. Soil, they are in the plastic bottles, hole beneath, and plants and other seeds are growing. Don't have to dry. See, this is a very dry area. No water. Maximum plants are dried. So I'm utilizing this water of this fish tank for this new type of agriculture. So I don't have to think about water. It is soaked, this soil, and plants don't dry up. seeds are germinating. That means this process is hugely successful. There's another type of flower here. Red color flowers. It's a coconut plant planted out here. The beans here. Many beans in this plant. So it's totally a self-dependent project. You'll be getting out everything for your daily life consumption. Don't have to depend on any service, private service, or anything. You can carry on with your own. You can do fish farming along with this floating agriculture. I think that will be a huge success, this floating agriculture. Already fish farming is a success here. It is a cement tank. You're seeing this is a cement tank. There is no excavation of soil. There is no excavation of soil. The seeds and plants were planted on 23rd 01 2025. That is in the month of January 23rd. These seeds and plants were planted, and already seeds are germinating. Already seeds are germinating in the plastic bottles in the soil. So in the coming days I will be showing you more interesting floating agriculture along this fish farming in the coming days, and I will be planting more plastic bottles throughout the tank in different way with soil and fertilizers, and I am 100% successful. I will be 100% successful. I know that.